In the next few minutes, I will show you how to activate your ISYS license. Activation is required within 14 days of installation for ISYS Desktop and ISYS Web licenses, and only needs to be done once. First, we will need to run the ISYS License Manager. To open it, just click on the key icon. Please note that if you've left it more than 14 days since installation, you will need to open the ISYS License Manager manually. You can find the shortcut under Start, All Programs, ISYS Search Software 9. Now you will see the ISYS License Manager window. Your license will appear on the Local License Codes tab or the Network License Codes tab, depending on the type of license. Let's activate the standalone license. Click on the product to select it, then click on the Activate button. This starts the activation wizard. First, we need to select an activation method. Let's choose to activate via the Internet. Now we will fill in our details. Make sure your email address is correct in both of these fields, as the activation code will be sent to this address. Now click Next. You'll need to check that your details are correct, then check this checkbox. Then click Next. This will submit your activation request to the activation server. It shouldn't take more than a few seconds to get a response. Copy the activation code from the email and paste it into the wizard. Now click Finish. This license has now been activated. Now let's activate a network license. It's exactly the same process, but this time we'll use email activation. We'll start by clicking the Activate button. Again, this starts the activation wizard. This time let's choose Activate via email. We'll fill in our details. Make sure your email address is correct in both of these fields, as the activation code is sent to this address. Now click Next. You'll need to check that your details are correct, then check this checkbox. Then click Next. The wizard will open an email message showing your activation request. You will need to hit Send to submit the email. This is processed manually at ISYS, so it may be a few hours before you get a reply. When you receive a reply, copy the activation code from the email and paste it into the wizard. Now click Finish. That's how easy it is to activate your license. If you have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, please contact ISYS support at helpdesk@isys-search.com.